Hi guys, today I'll be showing how I make a rope basket. So I have taken a simple bean basket. One decorative plate. Glue. Jute rope. And a scissor. All the things I bought it from Dollar Tree, which incurred a total cost of $3. So starting with the jute rope, I'm using the glue to stick the rope around the basket and keep on sticking it as I am doing. Keep on sticking. Suddenly got this idea when I was searching for rope basket on online shopping site, but it was too expensive. So I thought instead of buying, I will try to make it at home. So that's what I am trying now. So I'm ending this jute rope here. Just thinking to give a different design, I'm using some wool. So I'll be using the wool middle of the basket. This is thin, so I'm tied it with the basket. Then I'm using glue and keep on sticking it for 1 or 2 inch, and then I'll be ending it. Here I'm ending it. So again I'm just tied it because I don't know whether it will sticking by glue or not. So now I am going to use again the rope. So I'm sticking it with the glue and I'll be sticking this rope till the end of the basket. To make it a storage basket, we need handle. So I'm making it in simple way. So I'm braid it with the 3 strings, and I'm just making just a simple handle. Probably it can be 8 inch or 9 inch. I'm tying the handle with the basket. I'm not using the glue because I think the glue will be not that much stronger to hold it. Isn't it look nice? So I can use it as a simple basket or as a planter, or can use it as a storage. So now I'll be using it as a decorative table. I'm making pom-pom to give it more looks. And I'll be sticking this pom-pom around the basket. So I'm sticking it with the glue. Now I'm sticking this decorative plate on top of the basket. And now my decorative table is ready. So if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for being with us. See you in next video.